Hello guys, review Realme 11 Pro Plus. This version 12 GB memory and 512 GB internal memory. Okay, open box. Device in the gold color. In completion we have protected back cover on this and supercharger and Type-C cable in completion. Good completion we have. And now talk about device. Big camera, triple camera, 200 megapixels main camera, downside Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card, device without headphones jack. Okay, on this side power button and wall buttons, without controls on this side. Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate. Open settings, look Android version. We have Android 13 and Realme UI version 4.0. 5000 mAh battery. MediaTek Dimensity 7050, this CPU, 6.7-inch display and RAM memory 12 GB. Look under the benchmark score, good results. Mali G68 this GPU, okay, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Max the graphic level, close, okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.